So those are some of the rental houses, apartments you can let. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very nice apartments. Others are being constructed. People have really invested here. The real estate. Look at it, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Very nice. Iko noma? Very nice, guys. Look at it. Wow. Amazing.
Unaona ile tukienda ndani decoration 2 million. Juu. Ile iko pale mbele. Decoration 2.
Ushaingia ndani?
Ushaenda huko ndani.
Ushaingia? Mimi nikipata wakati pia tutaenda tembee kule. So guys, if I get time, we'll take you inside there and see how it is done. Baobab waves, guys. That is it. So you are staying near Nyali, you can tell us. You can tell us, guys. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Very beautiful here, guys. That one is being constructed. Ni pande ama pande? Ni huko? Okay. Sasa kama tunasikia hii joto na tumetembelea kwa miti na sasa huku mbele. That is still under construction, guys. The other one is there. That is there. Then you see in the front. Very beautiful, guys. You see, Aqua Residence, Kingston Beach Resort. So I think, but just see Aqua Residence. This is the Aqua Residence. On this side, ingine ama nini? Wa? O beach resort yenyewe huko. You see, guys. Bado wanajenga ama imeisha? Imeisha, watu wako ndani. So guys, you see some of these palatial buildings here in Mombasa, Nyali. That's how they are. We have the Pullman's tours and safari. That's how they stay. That's the Pullman's. Acha nitembele mbele. Wewe pia usiboeke. So guys, you see, it's very beautiful. You see there. See those roots there. You see. I believe security is very tight here, guys. Very, very, very tight security here. Look at that, another one. Must be hosting quite a number of people. Seems to be quite huge. So if you are somewhere wondering to come to visit Mombasa, yeah, I thought Nairobi is the one having these beautiful, magnificent buildings, guys. Look at it. Look at Mombasa, guys. Very, very, very beautiful, beautiful apartments. Very, very beautiful apartments. Very beautiful. Look at this one. Under construction. Under construction, almost finishing. Look at it. This one is still under construction. Look at it. Look at it, guys. It's still under construction. We have the sand there. The masons are inside as we are speaking. They are working on it. It's under construction, guys. The masons are there. These are just some building materials. One of the posh estates here in Mombasa. They usually say it's an estate for the rich here in Mombasa. If you want to find some of those richest people here in Mombasa, then this is one of the estates. You might spot some of them here. Look at those. Very nice. Very nice environment here, guys. Look at it. Look at the very beautiful trees here. Look at it. Look at the apartment. Very nice. Very, very, very nice one here. Look at it. Look at these very beautiful houses there. This is Nyali Estate. Look at it, guys. Isn't it beautiful? There's a fence there. I think it's built only with stones. Only with stones, guys. Fab's apartment. That's first Fab's apartment, guys. Very, very beautiful there. Very, very beautiful. And we walk along the street paths. There's another one there. Almasi. Another drive. Nice apartment there. Coral Cove. Coral Cove, I think this is heading to another apartment there. Very beautiful there. Coral Dove. So yes, Nyali Estate is a big one. So in case you stay around or you know this place, Kindly go to the comment section and tell us more. Tell us more about this place if you know, if you happen to know the place. Comment in the comment section and tell us. What do you know about Nyali Estate? Look at it. Look at those beautiful flowers also. Very, very, very nice apartments. See, guys. I almost thought that's a temple. Very beautiful environment. I almost thought it's a temple. Look, guys. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Very, very beautiful estate. That's the hotel. Actually, that's an hotel apartment. Tiffany Hotel apartment. Very beautiful. Look at it. Hotel Tiffany Conference. Very, very beautiful. See? Look at it. Paradise palms. Hey, very beautiful, guys. Very beautiful, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Another road heading to a different place. Look at those beautiful trees there. I hope I've read that name correctly. Muyuni. Quite in the trees. Surrounded by huge trees. They are very nice things. Others are here on my left. Quite well in the surroundings here, guys. Guys are living huge. Guys. Just very beautiful. Very, very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Very, very, very beautiful.